Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. This is Firefighters Financial Toolbox. So today is the last day before the 5-in-1 Tesla stock split. And I decided I wanted to take a look and see how Tesla did today. Because you know, I figured a lot of people would be running the price up, but who knew? So if we look at the graph, we see that it actually started off an up day today. But it ended down, you guys. It actually ended at $22.13.40 per share, and that was down $25.35 for the day. So what does that mean? Well, a couple things. Remember, it's a 5-to-1 split. So what that means is if we take $22.13.40 and divide it by 5, that means on Monday our share price for each share will be $442.68 each. Another funny thing that I noticed on this, I noticed that the 52-week low was $218. You guys, I bought my 2 shares for $220, and if you look at this graph here, or this shows $221.97. That's actually because they've added in the cost. Back then it was $3.95 per trade, and so it adjusted my share price to an average, but it was actually bought for $220 per share. So I was $2 off the absolute low for the year. You guys, I am up a whopping 800 and almost 898% on my 2 shares. So on Monday, and I don't know if this is going to happen at the beginning of business or close of business, the last bell on Monday, but Monday on the 31st of August, Tesla shares will split 5 times, and whatever you had for shares, you'll have 5 times as many. So my 2 shares will become 10 shares with, as I said, a value price of $442.68 each. It's kind of funny that the last minute you had a bunch of people run up the prices early in the morning, then around noon the price fell, you guys, over $25 a share. So definitely some volatility here and people playing the game. I'm going to hold my shares long term and keep appreciating that money. What do you guys think? Is Tesla overvalued? Is it going to go down with the split, or is it going to stay the same, or is it going to keep going? Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, we'll see ya. If you're not already liked and subscribed, you guys do that for me. All right, thanks.